you're recording me. I'm so and very awesome lithium. So I will get planning the grounding will I filming lift. Hey, you are grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now. You are grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now. You are grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now. This time, I ground everyone. Will I filming it? You are grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now. I be Aaron, ground you. And also, I Aaron ground you. No, you are grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now. Get out on your house before I calling your parents. You are grounded for life. This means no phone. Go upstairs to your room right now. We will going ground your dog. You are grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Ay, madre.
Go before I will going ground you. Leave now, go school. You are grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now. Yes, I am insane it too. So I stopping first of course. Leave. No, I aren't going to be Mr. F to fool. Wait, in this building, the building 17, the leaf inside is very vintage, decent crap. I've inside this is an LCD indicator. Filming lifts. The channel goes Benody. You have got lots of things. You're first up before we'll ground you. I be going grounded also blah blah people.